everyone, Shalom. My name is Preti Anugrahni. I come from Central Kalimantan. It's Barito, Pematangkarau, Subdistrict, Bamulung Village. I study at SMA Negeri 1 Pematangkarau. I'm in the 11th or 2nd grade high school. Here, I will explain how to make a fire fit from the can.
Fish by fire as a can. Here, there are gangguan can. Next, cut the sides of the can 3D of the height of the can. We will practice how to start a fire. Before, material to make a fire. The thrown in on. And John ready to house.
So that how to make a fire fit from the can. I hope is useful and inspiration friend to be more creative in asset material or thought. Thank you for watching and shalom.